see there, now we can earn 45% annual interest on our fund tokens. The saying it's a limited time offer, so the time remaining is 362 hours 17 minutes. So to activate it, go to menu, go to premium, see there, fund savings with 45% APY. Read it. Your personal fund token savings account earn up to 45% APY on your fund tokens at free Bitcoin. Lock your fund tokens to earn up to 45% annual interest on your tokens. At maturity, the tokens and interest will be credited back to your free Bitcoin account. You will not lose any premium membership benefits by locking your tokens. So, by locking our fund tokens, we cannot lose our premium membership benefit like CAPTCHA, free spins, like that. So the total balance of your locked savings will be considered when calculating your premium membership benefits. Choose the period that you wish lock your tokens for below. The longer you lock your tokens for, the more interest you will receive. So see there, we can lock any days of this. We can lock for 15 days, for 30 days, for 90 days, for 180 days, for 360 days. So see there, if I lock my 2800 fund tokens for 15 days, I will receive 51 fund tokens profit after 15 days. If I lock for 30 days, I will receive 23 fund tokens after 30 days. If 90 days, I will receive 103. If 180 days, I will receive 276. If I lock with 360 days, I will receive 690 fund tokens after 360 days. In this way, we can lock any of our days which we want. So now I show you by lock my fund tokens for 15 days. So I have 2800 fund tokens. So now I lock it. So click on confirm. So see there, successfully locked 2800 fund tokens in savings for 15 days. You will receive 2851 fund tokens on maturity. So finally I will receive 51 fund tokens after 15 days. Okay guys, see there, my CAPTCHA not came back even I locked my fund tokens. So we not lose anything of our premium membership benefits.